Elon Musk's journey to wealth is comprised of a series of smart decisions and calculated risks he took over his long career. Here's an overview of some key events in his path to riches. Early ventures in business. Musk began his entrepreneurial journey at a young age, co-founding Zip2 Corporation in 1996 with his brother Kimball, a company that provided online business directories for local companies. Zip2 was sold in 1999 for a significant amount of money. PayPal and financial success. Following his success with Zip2, Musk joined the founding team of PayPal in 1999, which later became one of the foremost online payment companies in the world. When PayPal was sold to eBay in 2002, Musk received a substantial share of the massive profits from the acquisition. Founding leading technology companies. After PayPal, Musk founded SpaceX in 2002 and Tesla Motors in 2004, both of which later became among the largest companies in their respective fields. Musk invested significant amounts of his previous wealth into funding these companies and covering research, development, and product advancement costs. Successive triumphs and net worth increase. Musk's net worth increased thanks to the successes of his companies, as the stock values of Tesla and SpaceX surged significantly over the years. Additionally, Musk participated in several successful deals and investments in various industries, further contributing to his wealth. Investments in real estate and other industries. In addition to his technology investments, Musk made several real estate and other industry investments, diversifying his income sources and increasing his wealth. In summary, Elon Musk's wealth came as a result of founding several successful companies in technology and innovation, along with his smart investments across various industries. Alongside his ambitious vision and ability to achieve his financial and technological goals. Here are some tips to make your life somewhat resemble Elon Musk's. Focus on goals and vision. Be clear about your goals and vision for the future, and commit to achieving them with determination and effort. Don't fear taking risks. Be willing to take calculated risks that may lead you to success, and learn how to assess opportunities and risks wisely. Be innovative and utilize technology. Continuously learn and evolve and seek new ways to solve problems using technology and innovation. Maintain optimism and determination. Overcome obstacles and challenges with perseverance and determination. Learn from failure and keep moving forward. Be a leader and brave. Build a strong team and guide them towards success. And be bold in making tough decisions when necessary. Commit to sustainability and positive change. Care for the environment and society, and look for ways to make a positive impact on the world around you. Enjoy learning and be a lifelong learner. Seize every opportunity to expand your knowledge and skills, and always be open to acquiring new knowledge and experiences.